guys? Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today we're working on the W211 2004 Mercedes E320 Wagon. So today we are going to change the EGR valve. I'll show you that part in a minute. I forgot to bring it out here, but it's giving me the EGR flow code. And what I've learned, locked. And what I've learned on forums, that the EGR tube that goes to the intake usually clogs up, but I'm not having that issue. I already took that apart and it's clear. So let me show you what part I'm going to replace. And we're back. Alright, so this is the part I'm going to change right here. It's an EGR valve with the solenoid and everything. So what I'm thinking is that it's clogged up in here. There's a hole down there. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's clogged, but I just got a new one just for the heck of it, because I looked down in here and it didn't look clogged when I took off the pipe. So we'll see. Maybe the solenoid's bad, I don't know. But I gotta show you the connector though. Yeah, I don't know what somebody did, but hopefully I don't need a new connector either. So let's take off this front piece, these two pieces, two intake tubes, and I think this one goes into service mode. The W210s are easy, it's only one. This one looks like it's two. Let me see. This little dial right there, there we go. It's locked. Alright, let's see, because the other side, check out the other side. The other side is no problem. Got that one. Huh. Alright, I'll be right back to figure this thing out. Alright, I figured it out. It's a two-stage. It won't let you do it right there. So you bring it down to about right there. Then you pull it up. Then you pull up the... There we go. So that one's locked in. Go over here to this one. Do this one. And the hood goes into service mode. Bam! Check that out. All the room that you need. Alright, let's start taking it apart. Now with all the covers off, look at all the room that it gives you. And back here's the EGR. So no worries there. Here's the pipe. Two bolts are on the side down there. So let's get to work. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. This is some stupid stuff right here. I'm pretty sure you can find this hose at Mercedes, and there's probably not that much, but whatever. I'm gonna try to find that. That's stupid. And then see, look at, there's glue residue, and then there's glue on this. As you can see, I don't know what they were trying to do. I don't know if the clip was broke. And then down in here, I don't know, it looks like they were trying to test probe it or something. So hopefully they didn't mess up the wires. I just hope there's a signal here. After I change it, I'm gonna hook up the Altel, and hopefully I can get a signal from it. I should, but you never know. I don't have all the connectors for the Altel, so. Alright, let's keep going. And there you guys have it, already all installed. Here's the old one. And the old one does have a leak. I tested it with vacuum and it leaks, so that's the main problem. Look what we have. I got my dad right here with me. He's helping me out. As soon as he gets better, he'll probably be giving me wrenches. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the rest of it together and see if it starts and pass smog. Alright, we got it all back together now. I took it for a drive. No EGR code, but I don't know what happened. This thing has two batteries. There's a battery underneath this access right here. It went dead on me. It was like 9 volts, 8 volts. But when the car's on, it has 13, so it's getting a charge. But I think it's bad because now I don't have horn, turn signals, wipers, just the whole steering wheel section doesn't work. So I'm doing a diagnostics right now. see what's going on, because all I did was change out the batteries, but it might lost sync. So I'm gonna see if I can resync it. Maybe that's the problem. I got the radio on in there, so copyright. Let's see here. There we go. All right. But hopefully I'll be able to see what the heck's going on. It's weird. Lost turn signals, everything. No wipers, no horn. All right, it's all done. Let's check it out here. All right, I'm back from the battery store. Picked up a Diga ETX. So he said this should work. It's a little cheaper, but same amperage, everything. So I'm gonna install that. Hopefully that'll fix the issue, because I told him at standstill is 9.6 10 volt, and he goes, nope, should be 12. So let's install it. All right, I installed a new battery, the auxiliary battery, and button up underneath the hood. I have no EGR valve flow code anymore. I've driven it about 40 miles, no problem. So all the monitors are getting ready. I just got 2 more, get it smogged finally. But yep, got my turn signals back. There's that one. Got that one. Everything on the steering wheel works now again. I can't believe a battery would do that, but that's Mercedes for you. So everything's working, everything's good. Alright, we're back at it again here at Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. We're working on the W211, the 04 Wagon. Finally got the water pump in. Looks pretty straightforward. Taking it out. I think you just take the bolt out from the alternator, and then these right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think 8 to 10 of those. Take off the 4 bolts on the water pump pulley. Take off the belt from the tensioner. And yeah, should have full access to the water pump after taking off the pulley. We'll be right back. I'm gonna open up the box, pull out the new water pump. All right, here is the new water pump. Nice and tight, no play, the gaskets, and yeah, this is really bad. Yeah, so that's got play. This I might replace later. It sounds okay, but this one down here, the what do you call this, the adjuster or whatnot, this one doesn't sound too good, so I'm going to replace this one, order it. Sounds like rocks are in there. But yeah, it looks like I have to take this this pulley off to get to this bolt over here, and then some over here. And yes, the alternator one, this one, lower radiator hose. So let's get to work. All right, I got the old water pump out. It's right here. Cleaned all the surfaces and everything. Ready for the new one. Like I said, here's the new one. I already put all the bolts where they're supposed to be. As I took them out, I laid them in into the water pump housing so I don't mix them all up, which I thought was a pretty good idea. So let's get this new water pump installed. And there you have it, all installed. I like new parts, but everything's all routed, put together. Now I just got to fill it. Put it all, and then put this cover back on, intake tube, and like I said, fill it up. I did get European stuff, but since I didn't do the radiator, I'm gonna save this. It already had this in it, any color, because it was green, so I'm pretty sure that's what they put in it. So I'm just gonna put some more universal in it. Since I am gonna change the radiator, I'm just waiting for some more fun, so I could live with the little seepage on the radiator. It's not too bad, but at least I can drive it around. It's cool right now, so let's and then I haven't even cleaned the engine compartment, so I'm going to do that too. So let's fill up the radiator and clean up the engine bay. All right, she is running good. Alright, after I was rudely interrupted by those fans, but yep, it's running good. Hear all those clicking. I don't know what that is. I think that's all smog related, because it does go away after a while. But I don't see any leaks or anything. It's almost full. I ended up using the European one anyway. Alright, let's clean up the engine compartment. Well, I'll be dead. That wasn't clicking. That was slapping. The belt separated. Man, I'm just gonna cut it off so at least I can at least get it up to operating temperature and pick up a new belt. That sucks. Alright. Engine compartment is clean. As you can tell, yeah, there's a piece missing off the belt. And look at that. She's going online. Alright, I think this is gonna end this episode of this video. Alright, that's gonna end this episode of Bobby's Backyard Auto Works on the W211 2004 Wagon. We got the engine compartment clean, put the new water pump in, put a new EGR valve in, and we got it to pass smog. So I think the next video I'm gonna clean the interior. And what else? Oh, and do the radiator and upper and lower radiator hoses at that time. So that'll be on the next video. All right. So until next time, please like, share, and subscribe right there in that corner. Thank you everybody for all the support that you have been giving me. Until next time, talk to you guys later.